Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, you are going to learn how to fix Blink camera that is keep going offline in 2026. Now, Blink camera depends on the sync module and not direct Wi-Fi like other cameras. So first you need to check if the sync module is online in the Blink application. If it is offline, your camera will also appear offline. So you can just simply restart the sync module and make sure that it is properly connected to Wi-Fi. Now, if your sync module is working fine, you can just simply move to the next possible course. So Blink cameras work best within the limited range of the sync module. So if your camera is too far away or blocked by the walls, it will disconnect. So you can also try moving the module closer to the camera or placing it in a more central location. Blink cameras rely heavily on the battery health as well. Even if the camera is still turning on, the weak batteries can cause it to go offline repeatedly. So in that case, you can try replacing the batteries with fresh lithium batteries for best performance. Also, make sure that the Wi-Fi is stable and it is not overloaded. Blink works best on 2.4 gigahertz networks, so you need to avoid the mixed or auto switching bands. Also, you can restart your router in order to basically refresh the connection. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.